Know how to make comfrey tea fertilizer. Today, I'm showing you how to make and use comfrey tea, a nutrient-packed tonic your plants will love. What is comfrey? Comfrey is a fast-growing perennial herb rich in potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and other minerals. Its leaves are high in potassium and nitrogen. Notice that the NPK in comfrey leaves are much better than cow and chicken manure, so comfrey leaves are a perfect choice for making organic fertilizer at home. There are no harmful chemicals involved in this tea fertilizer and it's free. Here's what you'll need to make comfrey tea fertilizer: fresh comfrey leaves, a bucket with a lid, water, and a pair of gloves. Step 1. Gather and prepare comfrey leaves. First, harvest your comfrey leaves. Select green fresh leaves, avoiding dry and damaged leaves. Step 2. Making the tea. Cut the leaves into small pieces to increase surface area. This helps release nutrients faster. You may wear gloves because the comfrey leaves can irritate skin. Take a bucket or pot and fill it about halfway with chopped comfrey leaves. Add water so the leaves are fully submerged. Rainwater is chlorine-free, so it is the best and won't affect the fermentation. Water containing chlorine can kill beneficial microorganisms that help break down the weeds into nutrients. But still, you can use tap water. Stir it well, cover with a lid. The comfrey leaves release carbon dioxide as they break down, so cover the pot with the lid lightly closed, so the released gases are easily escaped. Place the pot in a warm location to speed up the decomposition, as the bacteria responsible for making the brew will reproduce quicker when the pot is warm. Stir every couple of days to keep it aerated. It will smell bad, that's normal. So keep it in a corner to keep the bad smell away. The tea will be ready in 2 to 4 weeks when it becomes a dark, rich liquid. Use a fine mesh to strain out the solids. It is the concentrated comfrey tea. It is an excellent fertilizer for all types of plants in your garden. This comfrey fertilizer can last for over a year if stored in a cool and dark place to maintain its potency. Don't throw the leftover solids. Put them into your compost bin or use them as mulch. They speed up the composting process. Don't waste them. Step 3. Add additional nutrients. The tea is high in potassium. You can add some bone meal to it to enhance its phosphorus content. This fertilizer is perfect for plant growth, strong roots, and boosting blossoms and fruit set. Step 4. How to use it as fertilizer. Dilute about 1 part comfrey tea to 10 parts water to use as a fertilizer. Never apply undiluted comfrey tea. It's too strong and could damage plants. Give the diluted tea around the base of your plants where the roots can absorb it directly. You can also use it as a foliar spray. Use it every 1 to 2 weeks for best results. It is an excellent fertilizer for vegetables, fruits, herbs, and flowers. Especially for fruiting plants like blueberries, strawberries, cucumbers, tomatoes, eggplants, chilies, oranges, etc. That's it, easy and eco-friendly. Your garden will thank you for this nutrient-rich, organic boost. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY garden tips. Drop a comment if you try this. Thank you for watching.